Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Fishing is Carlos TV. And as you guys see the title of this video, we are not fishing today. Today we're going to be unboxing the GoPro Hero 7 White. I recently ordered this, and reason I'm doing this video is because I've seen a lot of review videos, bad review videos on this specific camera, and I wanted to get it out, buy it, and actually see if it's really as bad as people say it is. But this could be my first GoPro ever, so I have not got any other GoPros. I haven't owned any other cameras but other than a little action camera. So let's go ahead and get this unboxing started and see what I think about this GoPro 7 White. So I already opened it. Just check it out. The seal right there. If you guys are gonna open your GoPros, learn that. Open it through there, so you do have the case when you're ever gonna get rid of it or sell it or whatever. So let's go ahead and pop this out. There it is. Just take a look at it right there. Let's go ahead and take it off over here, up this mount. There's the camera. You guys check it out. It has that protective film right there. So we're gonna put this aside right now, and we're gonna jump to the box, see what's inside the box first. Let's go ahead and open this box up. Alright, so in the box we got the charger, which it's a special charger. Go ahead and set that aside. We have two clips, a flat clip and a round one for a helmet or something. It has a 3M tape. That's what I like about that. It comes with 3M tape, pretty good. I'm going to put all that aside. In the box we have manual if you need it. We don't need that. Just put that aside, and it's going to be it for this box. It's a nice little clip up here. You could use that as a tripod mount, DIY tripod mount. Might make one of those in the video later on in the future. Let's go ahead and put the box aside. We'll jump to this camera. Let's go ahead and see, first of all, as it feels right now, it feels pretty good. It feels well made, pretty good. Let's go ahead and open this. I believe we just popped this open, and let's go ahead and push it out. There it is. Comes with this case, nice little case. So this camera is fully waterproof, so you don't need no cover case for it or anything. The only downside to this, everybody was saying on the other videos, the battery is built in, so you are not able to pull out the battery and put a new one in. So I don't know, haven't tested it out yet or anything. So let's go ahead and peel this little tape off right here. Brand new right there. Put that aside. Ain't gonna need that. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Hopefully it's charged. Oh, wrong button. It's on the side. First startup right there. So overall, I think the camera feels pretty good, well made. It's pretty sturdy, hard plastic case. So it's asking me right here, we just started it off English. We're gonna go ahead and push English. Legal stuff, by using this GoPro, I agree. We're gonna agree to that. And it wants me to download this app right here, the GoPro app, to sync it to my phone. It says install the GoPro app on your phone to finish setup. Leave your camera on and follow the app instructions. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and jump into that. Once I get this app downloaded, we're gonna go ahead and show you guys some footage from the GoPro and see how it is. Alright guys, so the GoPro had me updated and everything. It was checked out to be okay, and I got my SD card in here. So we're gonna go ahead and get some clips from this, and we're gonna go ahead and add that in the video and to see if you guys. We're gonna go ahead and do two modes. It has 1080p and it has 1440p. So we're gonna get two clips in one of each, and we're gonna add those in the video and see how it is. But so far I've been messing with it and stuff. It's pretty good for being pretty cheap camera, not too expensive. It's good for being on a budget. But let's go ahead and get those clips and show you guys what's up. Alright guys, we're in 1440p and video mode. Let's go ahead and take a look at the camera right there, the case. There we are right there. See it. Let's go ahead and take a look at the GoPro sticker. Turn it back over to me right here. 1440p. Let's go ahead and switch it over to 1080p and see if there's any difference. Alright guys, this is 1080p, same thing. Let's go ahead and take a look at the box. GoPro. There we are right there. Take a look at the sticker. Turn it back over to me. If you guys see any difference, leave your comments down below. Honestly, for what I'm using it, it's gonna be pretty good, and I don't have any dislikes other than the battery being non-removable for you to put another battery in it. But that's gonna be it guys for the review video. Hopefully you guys enjoy this and like this, and on all honesty, this is a good camera for being on a budget, and it's gonna do what I need it to do very well. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Please like, comment, subscribe, drop a comment down below. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this review video. Hopefully you guys enjoy this type of video. This is one of my first review videos on this channel. Please drop a like, comment, subscribe. You already know, hit that like button. Drop a comment down below of what you guys think, and don't go listening to any of those bad review videos on the Hero 7 White, because honestly it's a pretty good camera for the price you're paying. And if you're just going to be making YouTube videos outside on a chest mount and a head mount or anything, I think this is what you need right here. Balling on a budget, this is a pretty good camera for 153 bucks. I will leave all the links down below to everything. Thank you guys for watching this. But if you guys are balling on a budget and trying to get a camera, definitely get this. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Peace.